Hey, it's Ian, and here at Pulse TV, we listen to your guys' feedback. And that's why you've asked it and we've brought it. This is our top 5 drinking accessory products. Now, we curated an entire list of our best sellers. So, without further ado, let's kick it off with number 5. Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the 4-pack of our Rustic wooden coasters. Now, these do more than just protect your surfaces. They actually have a secret under their sleeve, so stay tuned. Now, these have a high-quality wood burnt design, giving them an authentic Western and wooden theme. Now, what you're gonna love is the secret feature. When you flip the coaster over, you'll discover a fully functional bottle opener ready for use. Now, another great thing is that when you pull these out, these are guaranteed to be a conversation starter. You'll love them and your guests will too. Now, these are gonna be great for anywhere from your custom bar to the family room table. And with the natural wood construction and stainless steel bottle opener, these are gonna last you for years to come. Trust me, once you use these, you're not gonna wanna go back to your normal coaster, especially because of having the convenience of a bottle opener anytime you have a drink. Now, we have an absolutely incredible deal that you're not gonna wanna miss out on. So head on over to the site and grab your 4-pack today. Now that you have your bottles opened and a nifty place to put them, you might be craving that delicious draft flavor you can only get in a bar. Well, what if I told you you can bring that to the comfort of your own home? Next up is the Tap Pro. Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with the Tap Pro. Now, this will take your ordinary bottled beer and make it taste like fresh beer from the tap. How does it work? Well, let's take a look at the commercial.
You ever have a really great tasting beer on draft? Then you go home and drink that exact same beer from a bottle and it doesn't taste as good? The reason that happens is because beer in a keg is pressurized and mixes with the air at the tap. So you get that thick foam head and rich, full flavor that you just don't get out of a bottle. So check this out. This little device is going to change the way you drink beer forever. All you do is snap the Tap Pro on the top of the bottle, and it aerates and swirls the beer as you pour. This gives you that full-headed draft beer flavor, but right out of the bottle. Look at that. You can see the difference right away. And when you taste it, you'll swear you're drinking freshly tapped draft.
Oh, that one definitely tastes like draft.
Oh, this one's definitely draft beer.
There's no batteries or filters, so you can use Tap Pro again and again.
Now, isn't that neat? We actually found this at a trade show in Vegas, and let me tell you, it actually works perfectly, just like the commercial said. And you'll be saving so much more money because you'll get that same premium draft flavor straight from the bottle. Now, because these are so popular, they often sell out quickly. And Amazon is charging more than $20 for this. So you're not gonna wanna wait because we have an incredible deal. So head on over to the site and grab yours today. Now, we didn't forget about you wine lovers. In this next product, we have an entire kit that you're sure to love. Let's keep it moving with number 3.
Hey, it's Anissa, and I'm so happy to bring you this limited deal on our best-selling wine bottle opener that we've made even better. We've included top accessories to create this amazing gift set that's not only good for you, but it's great for gift giving. So let's look at what you get. First, you get a foil cutter, which cuts the foil off of the wine bottle. Then you get a vacuum-sealed wine stopper. Now, this is not only going to replace the cork, which is so hard to get in, and then you get bits of cork in your wine, it's also going to keep it fresher. And then you've got an aerator. This allows for oxygen to get into the wine and create a better, fuller flavor. But let's face it, we're all here for the amazing wine bottle opener. This is an air pressure opener, and it works so easily, and it's also a lot of fun. I mean, you simply put it on top of the cork, pump it several times, and watch what happens. With the holidays coming up, this is a great gift to give. It's got a beautiful gift box, and everything inside is made of high quality materials. Now, I mentioned we have a limited amount, and we will sell out really fast. So make sure you go over to the site and grab a couple of these today.
Now, if you're a whiskey or bourbon drinker, you're absolutely gonna love this next product because we've already sold a bunch. So don't wait, check out number 2.
Hey, it's Anissa and Joe, and today we have for you this collectible whiskey set with all kinds of accessories, including this wood-burnt crate that is just gorgeous.
You know, this is a set for serious whiskey drinkers. If you love your Scotch, whiskey, rye, and bourbon, I think you're really going to enjoy this. You have these two beautiful, heavy glass whiskey glasses, and then all sorts of little accessories that'll make your drinking experience more pleasurable.
Now, I am not a drinker, but I already bought 4 of these because they make a great gift.
You know what I really like about these glasses is the weight. These aren't flimsy little glasses. It's got a lot of heft to them. Plus, they have these clever little quotes here. One from Mark Twain, and this one here is an Irish proverb. What whiskey will not cure, there is no cure for.
Oh, there you go. I know it's something you like to live by. But you get all kinds of accessories. Like you get 8 whiskey stones, which are great. You throw them in the freezer, then you put them in your whiskey, and guess what? You're not gonna water down that good whiskey. Plus it has this nice wooden tray.
Oh, there's all sorts of accessories in here, like these gorgeous little slate coasters. Once again, they have some great whiskey quotes on them.
And you even get this little accessory card that has all kinds of whiskey recipes, more quotes. It's really such a gorgeous set that everybody's gonna love.
Anissa, do you know how to make a Manhattan?
I do not.
You will if you got those cards.
Hey, there you go. And there you have it. This awesome set is available. We have a limited quantity and we have a fantastic price. So make sure you grab one for yourself and many others as gifts.
You're gonna love them, I guarantee it.
Now, our #1 bestseller has sold out countless times. That's probably because of our incredible price. And when you see what it is, you're definitely gonna wanna pick up a couple before it sells out again. So let's end it with #1.
Hi, this is Joe with PulseTV.com, and today I'd like to introduce you to the Home Cocktail Smoking Kit. This has everything you need to smoke your cocktails at home just like a professional. Using the kit is simplicity itself. All you do is you take one of the 4 included chip samples, oak, walnut, cherry, and apple, and fill one of these little mesh screens with the included measuring spoon. Once you have your screen mesh cup filled with your choice of wood chips, light it with this included kitchen torch, butane not included, and you're ready to smoke. Once you have your wood chips lit, cover the chimney with the lid and let the smoke circulate around your cocktail. The longer you leave the lid on, the more smoky flavor you'll get. Once your cocktail is ready, you can add these chilling cubes if you don't want to dilute your drink with ice, and all the way at the end, you can clean your screen mesh with this included cleaning brush. I've really enjoyed experimenting with this kit. I've found that the best liquors to smoke are bourbon, rum, tequila, rye, but you could also try vodka and gin if you're feeling experimental. So if you want to turn your home bar or kitchen into a cocktail haven, this is the set to get. It also makes an excellent gift for the whiskey or Scotch lover in your life. So head on over to the site and get yours today. Cheers.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're interested in buying these products or want to learn a little bit more about them, head on over to PulseTV.com or find the link in the description.